It's me, Greg from Greg Allen Walker channel. We're going to Cebu. And then please like, but first please like and subscribe so we can start the video. Okay? We're gonna go to Davao today, and then we're gonna have a trip for how many days? How many days is it again? How many days is it again, Nay? Okay, and here is my mother. And then how many days is we're gonna be at Cebu?
7.
We're gonna be at 7 days. And then my first goal is 100 subscribers. Please help me to be at 100 subscribers. We are almost at 100 subscribers. And then support me by subscribing. Love you all. Okay, hello again. And then we're gonna wait for a bit. We're waiting for a bit. And then first I'm just gonna cut the video. Cut. A few minutes later. It's now a few minutes later. It's still not, my tita is still not here. And then rate my outfit 1 to 10.
What is that?
Rate my outfit 1 to 10. Okay, excuse me. Excuse. Rate it 1 to 10 in the comments. Okay, let's wait another few minutes. Few minutes later. Okay, now they're here with the van. And then we're gonna go ride the van. Okay, we waited for a few minutes and then they're now here. Okay, here they are at the van. Okay, look at, here is Daddy Jimboy and Daddy Bubo.
YouTube nimo.
Greg Allen Walker is my YouTube channel. YouTube channel, Greg Allen Walker.
Greg Allen?
Okay, now we're we're going. Okay. And then I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna see.
Oh, na may kene ko na YouTube yan eh, klaro sa TV na ni.
Wasa sila pinrabon. And then now we're at the van. Okay, cut please. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, we're gonna ride in a few minutes. Okay. We're just gonna ride for a few minutes. I'm just gonna cut it first. Okay, the van is cozy, very cozy. Say hi. Okay. The van is very cozy. It's very cozy here. Look at the view of the van. Look. I love the van. Okay, I'm just gonna cut. Okay. It's closed. Oh, dos. Okay. Wait, I'm just gonna cut it for a bit. Sibling. My sibling was crying. That's why I cut the video. And then here's my mother. I am with my mother. And then
Wow.
I love the view. Okay, let's cut it. I'm just gonna cut it for a bit. Right? I'm just gonna do it back when at the view, or I'm just gonna I changed my mind and I'm just gonna cut the video, right? Cutting the video. It's okay. I'm just I'm gonna see you at the part 2. Bye.